Hi, and welcome back. Thanks for joining me again today. Come along with me for a cozy reset routine. I'm doing a little laundry, tidying up the kitchen, cleaning fingerprints off my fridge, freshening up the couch, and then making a dinner. At the end, I will show you a dinner called egg roll in a bowl that I like to make. And I just got done putting the scent Gratitude by Revive in my diffuser. And I got that going first. Then I'm going to light some of my flameless candles. I mean, turn on some of my flameless candles.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Turning on my diffuser and a few flameless candles just make everything feel calmer and just makes the area feel so pretty while I'm getting things done.
Forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song.
Right here, I'm getting my sheets into the washing machine. I did need to wash my sheets this day, so I'm getting a load of laundry going before I start my other task.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that
If you are new here, I wanted to let you know that my name is Melissa. I am a wife and mom, and I do home resets, decluttering, and simple homemaking motivation here on my channel. So if you ever need a little motivation, you can always turn on one of my videos and play them along while you get things done.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I'm just putting away a few dishes here and getting the kitchen back in order. Just a few things that I kind of do on a daily basis.
Forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Another thing I needed to get done on this day was to wipe off my refrigerator. It has a lot of fingerprints on it. So first I go in and I just use some Dawn soap, my scrub pad, wipe everything down to clean it off first. Then I go back and then wipe all the soap off. And then I will go in with this sealer that I put on it to help from fingerprints from coming back.
I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up. And
Now, before I put the sealer on it, I will dry it off.
I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my.
So here I am showing you the bottle of this. Oh, I actually almost dropped it, but I caught it. But this is the sealer that I use on the refrigerator. It's a multi-surface ceramic coating by Lifeproof Home. So once the refrigerator or whatever surface you put it on is cleaned, you just go in and you spray it on, like I sprayed it on the refrigerator, just a mist over the whole thing. Then you go in and you wipe it off right away, and you get all the streaks and all of the product off of the refrigerator. And I also use this product on my granite countertops for a sealer, but this can work for up to 12 months. I probably do it about every 6 months, but it really keeps those fingerprints away for a long time. So it's really great for stainless steel. This could also be used on glass, like your glass showers. As you can see, my cats were just sitting there in the kitchen with me. I wanted to show you a close-up of Rue. This is one of his favorite spots. If I'm in the kitchen, he always sits by the refrigerator in that corner all the time. He's so cute.
I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down.
I did end up going back in and spraying my fridge with a little bit more of the sealer. I felt like I didn't use quite enough, but once I went back in, sprayed some more, and wiped it all down one more time, then I had plenty. So don't be afraid to use the product.
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such.
Next, I'm freshening up the couch a little bit. I have 2 cats, so the hair builds up quickly. This is one of those quick things that just really makes the living room feel cleaner. It's such a simple step, but it really does make the couch look so much better. I always feel good once I get all the cat hair off.
If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel so you know it, 'cause I would know just what to say, if only I was some kind of poet.
I love this lint roller that I'm using. It works really good, and it actually makes it look like I vacuumed a couch when I did not vacuum the couch. It picks up the cat hair really good.
I end up like a fool. Yeah, when I try to tell you how I feel, strange things happen to me. I lose my way.
Here's a quick look of all the cat hair that came off the couches. I'm really glad I got that off. Do you have pets or cats at home that you have to regularly lint roll your couches or vacuum them at home like I do? Now that I got those tasks done, I'm going to show you a dinner that I will be making. This is called egg roll in a bowl. This is something I make regularly at my house, and I have all the ingredients laid out here. And then I also put them up on the screen here if you wanted to screenshot it. And this is a double recipe. These ingredients here is doubling the recipe. But I always double the recipe when I make meals, so that way we can have leftovers and I don't have to cook another big meal again. I start off by putting my ground beef in a pan and starting to get it all cooked and ground up. I actually chose to make it in this big pot so that I have plenty of room because I do make a lot at once. And right here, while I have the beef starting to cook, I start to make the sauce that goes on top of egg roll in the bowl, which is a yum yum sauce. But I made a mistake and forgot that I had already doubled the recipe. Like I had already had it written down as double and I forgot. So I actually ended up doubling the double. So I had a whole bunch of sauce. That was my bad and my mistake. But everyone really likes the sauce anyways in my family. So we did end up going through most of the sauce anyways. A lot of the meals that I like to make in my house are lower carb. So for this particular recipe, I used like no sugar added ketchup, and I used a sweetener, erythritol, instead of putting like actual sugar in it. So I like to make things and try to keep them a little lower carb. And for the yum yum sauce, this has mayo, water, sweetener, which I used erythritol, garlic powder, paprika, and ketchup. So right here I am cutting up the onions that I will add to the beef. The ingredients that go in the beef are the onions, minced garlic. I'm not sure if I have minced garlic this time, so I used garlic powder, slaw, which is cabbage. I just buy a big bag of the cabbage from Sam's, soy sauce, black pepper, and ginger. Actually, I did have minced garlic this time. I forgot about that. But here I'm just adding those ingredients into the beef. The beef is already cooked and I had already drained it. Once I have already put all the ingredients into the beef, the last thing I add is the cabbage. And I will add the cabbage a little bit at a time and just let it kind of shrink down a little bit because it is a big bag of cabbage that I am putting in there. So I just put a little bit in, let it heat up a little bit, stir it, and then the heat just kind of like shrinks it down a little bit, and then I just add more.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay?
Once I had everything stirred up, I just let it sit in the heat for a while, let everything incorporate, let the cabbage just warm up, shrink down a little bit, and then it's ready to serve. I like to have my egg roll in a bowl with some sriracha sauce. So you'll see me put the yum yum sauce on top, then I put a little bit of sriracha, and then I put a little pepper on top. I think it tastes great like that.
Just to wake you up when I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
And that is it for today. I got a few tasks done, and then I got to show you a dinner that I like to make in my house. I hope this gave you a little motivation to tackle a few things around your home today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here